The older I get, the more I realize that the cost of intelligence is loneliness. And I don't mean lonely in the most obvious way. I mean lonely in a way that even when you're sitting in a room full of people, making conversations, laughing at the right moments, somewhere behind your eyes, there are multiple tabs open. And I used to think that it was a personality thing, but then I realized it is actually biology, and it is called hypermentalism. The more developed your ability to analyze people, situations, and consequences, the harder it becomes for you to be fully present in any of them. Your brain is always one layer above the moment, watching, evaluating, predicting what comes next. So even when you're laughing at someone's joke, somewhere underneath is a synthesis going on. Why did I laugh on this joke? Why did they make this joke? And it is not like you purposefully want to think this much. It is just the way you're designed. And the curse is that even with so much of intelligence, you cannot shut those voices off. So what do? You use your unresting mind to achieve unrealistic goals. 100k followers in 10 days, double my income in 3 months. These goals sound insane to the world, but not to you. But the problem is that even when you achieve these goals, instead of taking the win, you actually quickly move on to another goal. This is called hedonic treadmill. Your brain resets the usual baseline level of happiness regardless of how much you have recently achieved. Yesterday's triumph becomes today's boring normal. And just like that, before you know, happiness becomes inaccessible. The philosopher John Stuart Mill wrote about this in the 1800s. He called it the paradox of examined life. The more deeply you think about your own existence, the less joy you have around you. He said, and this is the line that actually stayed with me, it's better to be Socrates dissatisfied than a fool satisfied. Now, I don't know if he was really right, because you see, Socrates also died alone. So that's the price of intelligence that nobody's talking about.